Hi, this is Chris from Collectiv. One question I always get asked is, what do I think about the traditional budget process versus a 12-month rolling forecast? Well, I think gone are the days of spending, 2-3 months working through a budget for it to be irrelevant 2 to 3 months later. So, if I was to go about doing it, I would work on and transition you and your teams to focus on a 12-month rolling forecast. Always get those 1 month of actuals, continue to reassess the business, continue to have those conversations, and really a best practice of any organization in being agile, being strong business partners is making sure that you're not just looking at your business in a 2 to 3 month period, but looking at your business every single month and gathering that new information. So that would be my thoughts around the annual budgeting process and the 12-month rolling forecast. For more videos from me and the team, follow Collectiv on LinkedIn and YouTube.